That is everything that I bought from Issy. Nakikita niyo kung gaano kagulo. Sony Angel topper for your makeup. Ito na yung final product. Good afternoon, guys. So, ayan. Welcome to another New House Diaries vlog. For today's vlog, previously nakita nyo, inorganize na natin yung new walk-in closet ko. And now, ang i-organize naman natin is ang ating vanity na nandito. We're gonna talk about makeup and all of that. Wait lang, zoom ko lang kayo ng konti kasi parang ang layo-layo ko sa inyo. I'm just gonna show you guys the things I bought from Issy & Co. This is from their 9.9 sale and ito naman galing sa 10.10 sale. From their 9.9 sale, ito lahat ng nabili ko. Cream Cheek Blush. I got it in this shade, Safe Word. Burnt Blush yung color niya. Nagamit ko na siya actually before. I also got their Active Skin Tint. I've been into skin tints lately dahil kay Val. Ayan, so ayan, medyo bawas-bawas na to. Nag-restock lang ako nung brow fixing gel nila, yung ginagamit kong eyebrow gel. It's in the darkest shade kasi gusto ko yung may color ng konti. Nag-restock lang din ako nitong Active Concealer. My shade is NM3. Regular ako nagsa-stock up nito tuwing sale kasi I use it almost every single day. Yun yung gusto ko sa Issy & Co. When I use it, hindi ako nagbe-breakout sa kanila kasi parang skincare yung makeup nila. I don't know, pero ayun. Meron silang binigay na freebie na compact mirror. Ayan, compact mirror lang siya. Let's go to our 10.10 purchase. Medyo napadami yung 10.10 kasi mas malaki yung sale nila nung 10.10. Bumili ako nitong mga to, yung mga refillables nila. And I don't remember exactly yung promo nila. If bumili ka nitong mga refills nila, free na yung lalagyan nila na refillables. I bought this, but may fog effect. So yan, mag-shoutout muna tayo sa mga comments sa last video. So shoutout kay Aidan Joshua, Claudine, Nigel, Genzy, Benedict, Glenn, John Edmer, Bea, Gerard, Jimwell, Da, Grace Joy, Chris, Juvian, Mayrene, Stephen Mark, Nico, Marian, and lastly kay Carol Joseph. So yan, kung gusto nyo ma-shoutout sa next video, mag-comment na kayo down below ng makeup. So yan, kung gusto nyo ma-shoutout, mag-comment na kayo. And yeah, back to the video. Highlighter, blush, contour, bronzer, another blush. I'm gonna try these out soon. Tapos ito yung free nila na refillable. This is their customizable palette. Yun yung tawag sa kanya. Tapos nung 10.10, free lang to. Magnetic yun dito. Tapos nilalagay mo dito yung mga yung blush. Again, bumili ako ng concealer. This is their new packaging na. Yung Issy na lang. Hindi na siya Issy & Co. And highlighter. This is their True Flex Illuminator. I'm so excited dito sa illuminator na to. Kasi I've been wanting to try it for a long time. Tapos ngayon ko lang siya binili ngayong sale. Ganyan lang siya. Highlighter na natural. Sabi sa TikTok, natural daw. Pero that is everything that I bought from Issy. This is not sponsored. Binili ko lang talaga sila nung sale. Issy & Co. Baka naman. Issy na lang pala. Hindi na siya Issy & Co. Issy, baka naman. Diba? I'm gonna show you guys the situation right now. Para makita nyo kung gaano kagulo ang ating vanity area. So, ayan. Nakikita nyo. Wait lang. Nakafocus sa akin. Hello? Ayan, mag-focus. Ayan, nakikita nyo kung gaano kagulo yung ating vanity right now. We're gonna organize this kasi gusto ko ng maayos na vanity. Nabudol lang din ako sa TikTok. Makeup base brush, ganyan siya, flat siya. So, madali siyang ikalat daw. Tapos, what else did I bought? I also bought these organizers. Ayan. Acrylic organizer lang siya. This one. Ayan. Ang dami nating organizers na binili. Let me categorize first per classification. Ano daw? Ito, galing kasi ako sa kasal recently. Dinala ko tong makeup kit ko. And ito lang yung mga ginagamit ko most of the time. For example, ito. Ang dami niya ding laman. Tapos yung organizer that I'm currently using, if nakikita nyo tong acrylic dito, hindi talaga siya para sa makeup, para siya sa pabango. Pero ginamit ko lang muna siya for that. If nakikita nyo itong mga to, these are actually custom made na Sony Angel topper for your makeup. So, I got this on Instagram. Common Blue Art ata yung username na, pero I'll leave it on the screen. And if you're interested, nagko-commission siya ng custom Sony Angel for your makeup. Next, i-unbox na natin tong mga to. We interrupt this program to give you Kuya Sed's Holy Grail products. So for sunscreen, this is my favorite. This is the Can Make Mermaid Skin Gel. This is from Japan, pero na-order din siya sa Shopee. Ito talaga, ginagamit ko every single day. Sa mga ayaw tumanda yung itsura dyan, I highly recommend you use sunscreen. And ito yung ginagamit ko every single day kasi super ganda niya. When I want something naman that has a bit of coverage, this is the Issey & Co. Active Skin Tint. I'm in the shade Beach. So ano siya, para lang din siyang sunscreen. Meron tong SPF. Tapos meron siyang konting coverage, as in konting-konti lang. Ayan. It just brightens up and tones up the skin. Makakapagpa-freshen up lang sa akin. This is my go-to. So for concealer, ayan, na-mention ko na nga, this is from Issey again. Active Concealer. Ito yung favorite kong concealer kasi hindi siya masyadong cakey, super natural ng finish niya. Para kang walang makeup talaga when using this. Tapos very light lang siya. I'm in the shade NM3. For blush, I have two. This is the liquid blush that I use. This is their Creamy All Over Paint by BLK in the shade Coast. Ito parang very natural shade lang siya for me. Para lang akong kinikilig. Para akong nagbablush kung aray ganun. A little goes a long way with it. As in konting-konti lang yung need mo. Kapag nakablush ako, most likely ito yung gamit ko. Tapos for powder blush naman, ito current obsession ko to. Choo Choo Blush. First of all, ang cute ng packaging, diba? Ayan. Kung makikita nyo, super pink na pink. Pero pag nilagay nyo na sa skin, ang ganda niya. Very natural looking. This is a dupe nung Dior blush. Super nice. Ang cute nga ng packaging. This is my go-to powder blush. For highlighter naman, this is actually a splurge. This is Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light 1. Most highlighters kasi as in parang super chunky nung glitters nila. Ito, very natural looking. Para ka lang glass skin when using it. Medyo expensive lang siya, pero ito, I've been using it for a long time. Ayan, mukhang paubos na nga siya. I need to stock up. For my lips, ito yung ginagamit ko. 3CE Lip Balm. Ayan lang siya. Clear lip balm lang siya. Perfect for guys na starting with makeup kasi yung packaging niya very masculine, diba? And ang ganda nito. I highly recommend. This is a Korean brand, I think. Ito yung favorite ko talagang lip tint. This is Happy Skin Fresh Morning Dew. Sa mga OG subscribers, ito talaga alam nyo to. I've been using this ever since the world began talaga. These are my perfect MLBB shades or my lips but better. Yung very natural. I got it in the shade Dusk and Cinnamon. Kung nagtitipid kayo, pwede na din tong blush. Lastly, I have Holy Grail powder. This is the Charlotte Tilbury na powder. Ayan siya. Nakikita niyo naman, gamit na gamit. Super fave ko to. Medyo expensive lang nga din siya, pero grabe talaga. Kung makita niyo man ako in real life, tas mukha akong naka-filter, mukha akong naka-Instagram filter, eto yon. This is the Charlotte Tilbury. As in, super ganda nito. I highly recommend it if mahilig kayo sa makeup. Pero ayun nga, medyo expensive lang siya. So, eto na yung final product. Ayan na yung final. Ay, tatanggalin ko pala to. Pinicturean ko lang para sa thumbnail. Itutur ko lang kayo dito sa vanity natin. First, we have, these are my hair products. Ito mga to. So, we have my moisturizer. Andito. Dito, nakalagay yung mga makeup base. Sunscreen, skin tints, foundation. Tapos, we have powders here. And super face. Mga setting spray ko andito. Makeup remover. Yung mga brow products ko, Vice, Strokes, Issey & Co, Issey Brows, itong dalawa. These are Issey Concealers, itong apat. So, Rare Beauty na contour, tas L'Oreal na concealer din. Tas here we have my lip products, my Dior lip balm, lip oils, lip balm ulit. This is my go-to na lip product, itong lipstick ng Get Ready With Me in the shade Margarita. BLK, and yung favorite kong lip tint, Happy Skin. My favorite part of makeup talaga is blush. As in, favorite ko ang blush. So, yan. Nandyan yung mga blush ko and mga highlighters. My favorite as of the moment is this Choo Choo powder blush. And combined with Tower 28. Tapos we have my makeup brushes there. Tapos yung mga makeup bags ko andito na lang. I feel like dito ko na lang talaga sila ikakabit. So yun lang yung makeup collection ko. Ayan, na-organize na natin and finally, I could play with them. So you might be wondering, Kuya Sed, but parang ang clutter naman. I like to see them talaga nung andyan. 80% na tong makeup na to hindi ko nagagamit kasi hindi ko alam na meron pala akong ganun. So I hope you guys enjoyed my makeup collection, makeup vanity mirror. You get the gist ko ano yung ginagamit ko almost every day. Sana nag-enjoy guys sa video na to, and if you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para di kayo makamiss ng video ni Kuya Sed. And yun na nga, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and always remember that it is okay to be a weirdo. Bye!